Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to change address on Cash App. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser of your choice. Type in cash.app in it and press enter on your keyboard. Also make sure to log into your Cash App account by entering your correct credentials. Once you're signed into the account, click on the account button on the bottom left-hand menu. From your account section, scroll down and get to the address option. Click edit right next to address and enter the new update for your address. Go ahead and fill in the new street address, the name of the city or town, and then the postcode. Make sure to update your information correct and then click on save in order to change your address on Cash App. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will then see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.